English conversation. The first meeting. Conversation 1.
Hi, my name is John.
Hi, my name is David.
This is my name card.
Thank you, and this is my card.
Conversation 2.
Hi, I'm William Gates.
Hello, my name's Michael Jordan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from New York?
No, I'm from San Francisco.
Conversation 3.
Please let me introduce myself. I'm William Gates.
I'm John Smith. Pleased to meet you.
Are you Australian?
No, I am American.
Do you like Hanoi?
Yes, I like it very much.
Are you here on vacation?
No, I'm not. I'm here working.
Have you been to Vietnam before?
No, it's my first time to come here.
How long will you stay here?
A week.
Can you speak Vietnamese?
Oh, a little.
Common English sentence patterns. Listen and repeat the following common English sentence patterns. For each sentence, you have 5 seconds to repeat. Hi, I'm David. Hello, I'm Jack. You are? Hi, what's your name? I'm happy to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Hello, it's nice to meet you. I'm Susan. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. My name is Henry. Good morning. Nice to see you. Where are you from? I come from New York. I'm Jonathan. I'm from Chicago. Are you from San Francisco? No, I'm from Las Vegas. How old are you? I'm 15. I'm 18 years old. Where do you live? I live in New York. Is this the first time you have come to Hanoi? No, it's the second time. Where are you studying? I'm studying in Harvard. Can you speak Vietnamese? I can't speak Vietnamese at all. What do you think about San Francisco? Are you used to life in Vietnam? Are you here on vacation?
Okay, that is the end of our video. Please watch the video many times until you can speak quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.